What's up, guys? It's Timothy here, and we know about the new AC lobby, right? I mean, this is what I'm showing. Yo, what the hell is this? So right now, today we're gonna have an update. A lot of people is posting on TikTok that saying go back to the old world, but Animal Company has been updated, not updated. So before we get to start it, make sure to hit the subscribe, share, and like button. Let's go. So it just shows Rooster Game. I hope they don't make a new revamp map. Whoa. Please don't. Continue. Please play while you're at your safe mode. Okay, what the hell? Don't mind me, I got stuck in this second.
Where are you guys?
Yo, what the hell is this? Wait a second. No, don't tell me what I think it is. That's Animal Company. No! Don't! Yo, I can't believe this is sewers, but it's blocking me. There's stats, office, and VR. But just remember this. Wait, can you grab snow? But there's no computer in Finland. That thing. Please don't tell me. Wait, I'm not going there. I'm not going there. Sorry, I'm not going there. Bro, we will miss you. Bro, we will miss you, OG Animal Company. And now I'm stuck.
What is this?
I don't know.
What is?
I'm stuck.
Jump with me?
No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
No.
Okay, here I come.
Let's go.
Here, right now, I'm making a video. Get ready. And 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Arrow. Wait, no. I'm gonna.
Whoa. What happened? Do you think we should go over there? We should go over there. Let's go see.
But what the hell happened? Here, let's go.
Guys. Wait for me. Wait. Raccoon. Be your friend. Wait, Frog. Wait for me, Frog. Frog, let me show you.
I'm making a video. Here, guys. Subscribe to me, please. Bro.
No, bro. Subscribe to Frog.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know. Wait, no, I'm about to die. Huh?
Where are we?
Okay.
We're at the don't kill me. Other map. We're at the other map. That's people.
Wait, no, come. I think this is the poison. Okay, I think that's just that water. Oh, that's a realistic water.
You with me, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go see this new map.
Let's check. Let's go. Oh, they need an eyeball.
I don't have a grappler.
Me too. I was about to say that.
Hey, wait for me.
Whoa, what the hell is this crack? Wait, come look. There's a crack.
Guys,
Yo, there's a crack.
guys, look, wait for me. There's a crack. Ah, let's go.
What the hell
It's
is
dark in here.
this?
Ah,
This is so crazy.
where are we?
Wait, I was probably in this source. We're stuck. Come down.
This isn't sewer.
It looks like sewers.
Ah,
Where are you going?
where are we going? I'm sliding down.
I know. Wait, no, that's a.
Run, let's go.
Hi. Just leave them there to die.
What the hell
Do
is
not go in
this?
there. Don't go in there. There's like this mimic creature. It's not the actual mimic. It's a different mimic. There's 3 stages. There's white, light red, and dark red. What you should run away from.
Look, look. At least I brought my dog.
It's fun.
Wait, look.
Down there. He's down there.
There's 2 of them. Oh crap! Let's keep going.
This is so dark.
There's 3 of them.
Ah!
Run!
Whoa, wait. Oh, look. I got more dog in the water. Aww. No!
Under the sea.
Hey, that's my duck.
Mine now.
Me?
I want to go to the brand new spawn. Do y'all want to go to the brand new spawn?
Yeah. Dad.
We have to die. We have to die to get where. We have to die to get there.
No?
We have to die to get back there.
Why? But I just bought this and my ducky. So it looks like I can shake my ducky's butthole.
Well, you have to die. You have to die to get back to spawn.
Let's
No.
go die, guys. Let's go die. Does
Wait.
it scare you?
Rest in peace, duck.
Guys,
Bro, what
down
the
here.
go in?
Keep going.
Where are you? I need light.
Good boy.
Oh look, I got this. I got this.
Run!
Nah, you have to get killed.
I don't want to get killed.
We have to die.
Why do I have to die? Ah! Oh my! What the hell again? Why not kill him?
Bye, guys. I'm leaving from the dead.
I think I'm stuck. This monster. I need help, bro. The monster is not moving. I'm stuck.
I'm gonna fight.
Somebody say ducky? Did somebody say ducky?
Hey, that's my duck.
No, it ain't.
Hey, I dropped it. Rest in peace. Boy, this guy's literally stuck.
Wait, you just
Hey, come here, come here.
For the wrong goal. Yo, I know your girlfriend broke up with you, bruh. It's fine. It's fine. Just let me go past. Oh, you fat ball.
Okay, wait, wait, come here.
I'm on my way.
Oh, wait, I think I found exit.
Yeah, I went down here. I ran away. There's 3 of them, by the way. There's like 3 multiple ones.
This is so long.
Cool.
But that's how you
We escaped. Wait, look, guess what?
What the?
Okay, Hey, guess what? Look. Guess what? Guess what? We escaped on the. I don't know. Here it comes. Go down.
The waterworks in the dam.
Oh, I died.
What?
Revive.
Where's the new map? So, if you come behind I'm not sure. Oh. The new map is in the water.
I hate this.
The tree area. It's the main update. Go to the trees. You can walk on the wall.
Walk on the wall?
Now, behind the stage.
You can walk in the water, guys. You can swim now, guys.
I'm scared.
Yo, under that sea where I pee.
Where is the new map?
This is where the thing.
I'm spawning the ship. No, there's new crates designs. I'm kind of lost because I just spawned near this area. I think I just saw
I hate this new update.
To the top. I think I hate you if you hate this update.
Well, I do hate this update.
The ship is pretty cool.
This just shows it is.
I'm going in the.
Oh, I don't like this update. And danger.
Dang it!
Okay, maybe.
Guys, there's a new door, but I don't know where your office is.
Oh, it looks
Guys,
like
I found where office is gonna be. I think
Teleport
office
gone.
is gonna open.
teleportation.
Is there anything new?
There is.
What is that?
Wait, don't try to go here. Sorry, it doesn't.
What do we do? I just got here. Me too.
Bro, I cannot believe they do this.
Well, there's a brand new item. It's named the teleport gun.
Where? That's an old pack.
It's
One big yacht.
I'm gonna cry. It scared me.
Bro, you saw that? Wait, can you give me a grappler? Can you give me a grappler?
Hey,
I'm so scared.
bro, I cannot believe this.
What is?
Wait, bro, can you give me a
You know they
grappler?
have this.
Can somebody give me a grappler?
That thing. What the? That's ugly.
No, bro, I love that thing. I
Oh,
want to
I don't like this. Hey, what?
What?
Wait.
I made it to the new area.
Oh, wait.
Yo, you guys want to? Can somebody give me a grappler?
Wait, you guys have this?
You guys have this?
grappler.
So
Whoever gives me a grappler, I'll give them this. If somebody gives me a grappler.
Yo, does
If somebody
anybody
gives me a
have this?
grappler, I'll give them a
Wait.
pumpkin.
Look, I'm gonna try going on the old map.
Yo, do you have one of these? Wait, look.
Guys, the vents. Look.
What the hell?
Whoever gets me a grappler gets a pumpkin. Here you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna. This is Rick.
Let's go down in the vent.
Hey guys,
No!
grappler can only grapple onto certain stuff now.
But this. I've been wondering what's in there. That's yours?
That's yours.
I don't like this. Wait,
Oh my goodness. I do not like this map.
me too, man.
really
Wait. But first, I'm gonna try getting out the map and go to the. Look,
Someone's opening my door.
I can really see.
No!
I kinda hate this new update, not gonna lie.
Hey, you guys, I found a monster in the
But
vent.
if we need to get out the map, we
Guys,
need to find something
bro.
like
I got a gun. I'll
hidden
save y'all.
thing. I hate this
my
new
door and I'm
update.
scared. No!
Bro, that
I need a
monster
gun.
in the vent.
Get you!
Wait, I just wanna know how to get out the map. I'm thinking that's
Guys, can somebody make me $3,000?
Guys, I'm so scared of the monster. It's like literally that I scream.
I don't like this update.
Yo,
Even though where's the office?
guys, I just bought the brand new teleportation gun.
Can I go here?
Moment.
I've been just teleport.
Guys, can we still see our map? It's like a real normal.
Oh wait, maybe I can get out the map like
This all just has
around
a
here.
moment to appreciate the new map.
I'm pretty sure. Oh, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go up here. Okay, so I can get out the map. Wait, what? Oh, that's
If you have one last research point, you could have buy the teleport gun. If you had one last research point.
What do you mean the
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go there. Look, so there was nothing here. Yeah, I'm about to die. There's no edge.
He did like, oh my day.
Oh, I mean, there is one, but it's... Oh, yeah, there is one. So, wait.
It cost $3,000.
Wait, I know how to get out of the map in the new OG. And I'm gonna get out the map and go to the old one.
I don't think you can.
There's
I already got rid of the old map. Oh man.
Bro,
I know, I missed the new
Bro, this
map.
update is so good.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
Or do you
No, it's not. It's scary. Who owns a dinosaur? Who owns a dinosaur?
look, go in the vent. How is
Where is that event?
you will distract him. I'm gonna try to revive this.
We're just chilling. Playing like hide and
Yo
seek.
guys, we're cleaning off.
I hope I don't
We're
lose
fighting a
my...
spider in the mine. He's very
Bone it is creepy because they just left me with the new map with the literal new monster, and I was nice.
Guys, what's the new monster? Who's the new monster?
Oh no!
Wait, no, I've got where's the edge?
I'm not playing this game ever again. You know what? Oh no!
Where everybody's hating on the
You
new
can
map.
hear the squeak.
I'm going into the cave. I don't know if I'm going right.
I'm gonna go here.
I don't know where to go. I'm scared.
Okay, so here.
Where's the way out? This way.
I'm pretty good at this area, so.
Oh, this way.
Uh-oh, run it. I'm out. I hate
Okay,
mimics.
so that's it here. So it would be so hard. Oh, I'm empty.
My question is, why
but don't worry.
does it put mimic in freaking cave?
The question is why the monster has blood on it. It crawls like a freaking weird, like, I don't know, but it walks. It's so creepy.
Listen, guys, I went down the
Okay,
whole
maybe
thing
it's not
at
working
some
for me.
shipwreck. Do I just...
Yeah.
Let me try. No, then I don't have enough.
You can swim now? Oh, we can swim! Oh, the thing in the water swim. Wait,
Whoa, it's
you
not
gotta wait
letting
for
me. What's I saying? I
Guys,
think
in my
they
clip, there's
blocked
like
it.
3 Armstrong.
Guys, don't go to the new map. I'm telling you, stop. And don't. Because how scary it is. I'm like getting
Yo, you wanna come down here with me through the hole?
Oh hell no! I'm not going to
This game
shorts.
isn't even for kids anymore.
No, it's fun, I promise.
Do not let your just like 5 or 6. Do not let them play because how scary it is. It's just horrifying.
Let's jump down. Black, let's jump down. Let's jump down together.
Guys, what is
No, you keep bleeding.
I'm not going anywhere until I find how to get out the map.
Man, he keeps telling us about it. He's saying how it's
Am I-
so scary and that it's so creepy. Man, I already went.
I'm just telling you, but it is scary. I've been like a bajillion, not a bajillion times. I've been like
Okay, that's
3 times already.
cheese. Also that's the whole.
Guys, I can buy the gun. I can buy like the telephone. Not the heart.
Oh my god, can I just please get out the map for like a second?
Bro, you gotta come back to the entrance. People
Bro, I'm
are
so
in the
dumb.
vent. Come back to the entrance.
Yeah, do you want to go to sewers with me, please?
Well, I'm so dumb that I can just get a teleportation
I'm
grenade.
getting that money.
What do you mean about?
Okay?
I need people to come back to the entrance of vents. Can somebody please come back to the entrance of vents?
So time if we go here, right? I'm pretty sure. Well, I cannot believe that's all.
I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna try to go see if there's an exit.
Wait, if there's
So many golden pieces. I'm gonna take.
where is it? Oh, it's the verse of rocket ship. Wait, don't tell me it got deleted. Wait,
Can some people come back to
We're
the
super
entrance
far
of
away.
vents? I need people back
I
to
don't
the
know.
entrance of vents, please.
bye. Where is it? Don't tell me. No.
Well, I'm back from mine. So I got like 3 or 2 company calls.
I hate this. Like, why would they do this? But I'm not just stuck here. I'm just chilling my couch. Waiting for going back.
So I found like a hop.
I should take more help.
Everyone go to ship.
Where is the ship?
I found the hot tub.
Wait.
I found the hot tub.
Where? Are we going down? You are going down. Go up!
Let's see how much one of these. Well,
It was so scary when. Please don't fall. God damn it.
hey guys, there's also a polar bear. Come on, you gotta go to the new map again. I wanna go with you. Sam, I want. Yeah, me. Here, I'll wait for y'all. I'm gonna grab a revolver.
No, I shouldn't got the grappler. Oh my
Wait,
god.
polar bear. I grabbed a revolver.
Oh my god, this is hard to climb.
Everyone, come on, hurry.
Wait, I can just do this.
I'm waiting for you.
Easier. Yo, imagine it's Blood Night in Wild Garden.
Is that toxic waste?
Wait, what the hell?
Apples on that.
Okay, wait. I think I went to the wrong one.
We can grab a Because all of this is metal.
I meant a wrong one. No!
Wait for me, I'm still kind of stuck at the entrance. Since I don't have my grapple, I'm trash at...
Yeah, I went to the
I'm just gonna...
very old
It's just dark.
map. Oh, so that's lava.
It's like
Yeah,
a while
I'm
it
gonna try
is.
going here.
You guys...
Wait, how do I go up here? I just get teleported from the new
It's a
map.
fly!
Huh?
I see the smoke. A mobile's up there.
Wait.
Yeah. Can you guys wait for me at the entrance of the event, please?
Wait, I don't.
Where is everyone?
Okay, so that's my stuff. No. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm going to scared for. Bro, like, why did they? I dropped my controller. Like, why did I change this?
Hey,
Let me just go back to the old map. So.
what just happened? You.
But this is so. Are you serious? Looking for research point?
Guys, do not go back.
Wait, that's scary.
That's
scary.
too hard.
That's too hard.
But I am going. I just accidentally went to source. That's milk. Do you know that? Oh, that is source. Kill me, boy! Okay. I just want to survive.
Smoke weed every
Okay.
day.
Do you want to be? Your Nasirian's going up.
What's this? What's this down here? Come here. What's this?
That's serious!
That's not serious.
That is source.
I knew they were gonna make this something. I knew they were gonna make that something. I knew they were gonna make that something. I knew they were gonna make that.